Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Sorry about the pups. Wifey's not home. It's the middle of the day. She took the day off of work for this one. Long story. But if you're not familiar with ThreadBeast, it's a monthly subscription. It is clothing. You don't have to go to the store. You just basically have a custom, what do they call that? Personalized person that basically picks out clothing for you. You give them all your sizes, you give them kind of like fill out a survey that asks like a bunch of different questions about measurements and styles that you like, don't like, stuff like that. So I've been on their referral for a while. If you check out in the video description, you get $50 towards your first order. And basically it is, yeah, it's actually really good. But if you haven't noticed, I've gotten tons of referrals. I think this is my 11th and 12th referral. They both came on the same day, which is not common. Normally I just get one. Their boxes have changed. I actually really digging the new color of the box instead of like that dark black box. It really stands out. So created in California. Let's see. I have no clue what is in these. They're just kind of like a surprise freebies. And awesome, it looks like a sweatshirt and some underwear. So let's check this. Let's go. Let's check this out. So I've got some more underwear, large, which is too big, which I don't understand. They know my sizes. So that's kind of the annoyance sometimes, is like they know my size, yet why are they sending me the wrong size? Like, how hard is it to like get the right size? Like, I don't get it. But I guess because it's free, they're just trying to get rid of stuff. And then this looks like another shirt that I've already gotten in the past. This is a blue crown medium. So they at least got that part right. I can wear this to work. I can use this, I can wear that for work. It's just a regular collared shirt. I can use it to wear it to work on a Friday. It's more casual. Then I know my daughter's gonna steal this. She always steals my sweatshirts, but check it out. I have so many sweatshirts. I love sweatshirts. So it's got Reebok. It's got the hood. And mind you, free. Like I didn't pay anything for this referral. Like you just make a video and post it on YouTube and people use your code, which appreciate it. And yeah. And the next one is this big box, but it's light. That's the thing. It's like that small box has a lot in it, and then this big box is really light. It doesn't feel like it has a lot in it. So we'll see what is actually in it. So the thing is the problem with referrals through ThreadBeast is it seems like they only send a box once every like 3 months. I've had like well over 30 referrals that have been validated, but I don't know if I'm ever gonna get the boxes or not, because I seem to get like a box every like 3 months. So, and it's not in any of their fine print or anything like that, so I just really don't know. I've been trying to figure out how it works for a while now, and so nice. Okay, so you got Be Cools. Oh, I like this. I like this one. Okay, so apologize for my Rottweiler is sitting there eating a bone in the background, but check that out. So got to Be Cools. So I don't know the value of any of these. If you know, hit it in the video description. And then a diamond hat, which it says this hat is $32. Like it says this hat is $32. I can't justify a hat for $32, but you know, can't complain about free. Yeah, see, even the Husky, she's like, $32, what? That's too expensive. And then it looks like the final thing in here is a really big jacket. And this is what is this? We are super Superlative Conspiracy, and it is WEZC, Stockholm, Sweden. So it's the camo bomber padded jacket. So I just got a jacket. A free jacket. How cool is that? So the trick of what I was saying is, in order for a referral to work, you have to click on the link in the video description. When you do, it's going to give you, it's going to pull up a website. In that website, there's going to be a code. That code is only going to be valid for 24 hours, and there's a link. So basically, you use my link, it pulls up that site, it gives you a code, copy the code, then you follow the link on that site, and when it brings up the page, you place your order. If not, I don't get a referral. The code, I believe, still works with the 24 hours, but it just doesn't give me any free boxes. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Well, I can't talk today. And check out whatever video YouTube recommends to you. And thank you so much for using my code. And that is my doorbell. So I have to go. Bye.